This inventory software tutorial explores how easy it is to create a new in source and an out destination. First, log in as administrator, and then click the icon in step 3, and click the Edit button. To create a new in source, select one of the empty slots in the top portion of the screen, and enter a description for the donor. You can go to our website's inventory icon library to see if there's an image that matches. If so, simply right-click and select Copy Image. Then double-click the image placeholder to bring up the Paint editor, and then paste into Paint, and close the image editor. Next, set the defaults for this donor. Here we'll change the default commodity to prepared food. Then designate if you can purchase from this location. In this case, we'll leave it unchecked. And because this restaurant always donates prepared food, there's no need to prompt for the commodity via pop-up window. Close the editor, and if you want to change where the icon is within the screen, click the Move button and use the arrows to move your new icon to the position desired. Click the Moving button again, and your new entry is ready for use. As one final example, let's add an out destination. Again, click Edit and select the slot for your new entry, this time in the bottom section of the screen. Then enter a description in the editor. Find the desired image on the web, then right-click, Copy. As before, double-click the image to edit it, and paste into Paint. Because this was a slot in the bottom section of the screen, the Out Destination box was already checked. Close the editor, and the destination is ready for use. When you're done editing, be sure to click the Admin Logout button, and your system is ready. That's all there is to it. To learn more about our inventory software, you can review the manuals on the website, or contact us. We'd love to help.